Hey everyone! So on Monday night's live we did a strainer. I called it a waterfall strainer. So we're going to do it with different colors today. The other one I did was in blues and turquoises. So this one I'm going to do coppers, bronzes, pearl white, oyster pearl. Trying to get that clamshell effect. So we're going to need, I'm going to spray my cup first. And I use the WD-40 silicone spray. So I'm going to go ahead and start with some black. And I'm going to show you how I layer this in the cup. So I'm going to give it a shot of black. That's going to be my last color out. Let me give it some oyster pearl. And I'll bring that back again. So this is called Worn Penny from Deco Art. It's a nice dark copper. A little bit of pearlescence from Creative Inspirations. Deco Art Rose Gold. A little bit of oyster pearl there. Craft Smart Deep Bronze. Love this color. A tiny bit of black as well. And some oyster pearl. And I'm going to go back with just a little bit of Worn Penny and a little bit of the deep bronze. Those are going to be my first colors out. So I just take one line of the oyster. So that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and place the strainer on here. Just barely on the edge. And what I'm going to do is lift the canvas up and pour just on this side of the strainer. And you want to watch your paint, because when it starts to get to the end, towards the end, you want to let the canvas down. I did put a little more of that oyster pearl there. It was going to be too much black, I think. Okay. Go a little bit further. This is a 14 by 18 canvas. Give it a second. You don't see anything else coming out, so I'm going to go ahead and lift. And I'm going to push back just a little bit to get rid of that circle. Okay. Let me just torch it real quick and get those bubbles out. All right, love that rose gold in there. Looks like coral. So I'm just going to start stretching it around. I want to make sure my paint is in the middle. And I don't want it to go over the edge. So I'm going to come back this way. And you can tilt hard on this. You don't have to go real slow. Once we get it stretched out, then we can place it on the canvas better. So it did go over a smidge there, so let me just bring it just a little bit more. There we go. This way towards me, and then I'm going to take it this way, try to get a little bit of that white off the edge, the oyster pearl, and then we'll bring it back down. Now that I've got most of the paint towards the bottom, I'll go ahead and go corner to corner again. Trying to round out that edge. Bring it back. And head to this corner. So now I'll bring it back again. And you always step back and look at your composition. And I think I'm going to blow these edges out with the airbrush, just to fill out that, make that a little more rounded looking. Another use for your airbrush besides flip and drags. Step back again and look at it. Okay, so I know that up here I'm off-centered a little bit. Of course, it's art. You shouldn't have to worry about symmetry. But I'm going to bring that paint back up for a minute. I'm going to try to bring that over just a little bit without losing too much of that airbrush effect. And that's not going to work, so we're going to go ahead and put it back where it was. Then I'll have to blow that one corner again. I'm liking it right there. Not sure what was going on there. I really wish I could get that over a little bit further, but that's not going to happen. Not without losing all that prettiness. But you can hang it this way. But it is pretty. Let me go ahead and torch it. This should be really pretty when it's dry because of all the metallic and pearl. The only thing plain in there was the black, so. I do want to wisp out this edge because this one is going on its own. I'm going to be so gentle with this. That's good. Good, good, good. So if you're new and you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. We love to read your comments. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Shop at my Etsy shop. We're running a big sale right now through the 14th. 40% off paintings, 30% off jewelry. All your painting supplies, your torches, the trays, the pads, the airbrush, everything is on my Amazon shop, and all those links for everything is below in the description box. So let me bring it up and you can get a little closer view there. Lots of neat cell action going on, which will all change as it dries. So that's pretty cool. And I'm really liking the way the sides airbrushed out too. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. And join us back on Monday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time for our live pouring. And we have lots of fun. And we hang out for a couple of hours. So if you don't have anything to do on Monday nights, come and hang out with us. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.